In this video, we will explore 27 essential English words that you must know to excel in exams and daily conversations. These words are categorized based on their similar meanings, making them easier to learn and remember. Category 1. Light and understanding. First word is illuminate, to light up or make something clear. Clarify means to make something clearer. The teacher clarified the difficult concept. Clarity is the quality of being easy to understand. His speech had great clarity. Lucidity refers to clear thinking or easy expression. Her lucidity impressed everyone. Enlightenment is a state of deeper knowledge. The philosopher sought enlightenment. Category 2. Visibility and awareness. Overtly means in an open way. Covert refers to something hidden. The spy conducted covert operations. Visibly means in a way that is clearly seen. She was visibly excited. Insight is a deep understanding. The scientist provided valuable insight. Short-sightedness is a lack of long-term vision. His short-sightedness led to a bad decision. Ignorance means a lack of knowledge. His ignorance led to serious consequences. Category 3. Hiding and disappearance. The first word is vanish, to disappear suddenly. To conceal means to hide something. He concealed his true feelings. A disguise changes one's appearance. The thief disguised himself. Clandestine means done in secret. They held clandestine meetings. Furtive means behaving secretly to avoid attention. She gave a furtive glance. Surreptitious means done stealthily. The journalist made a surreptitious recording. Anonymous means without a name. The letter was sent anonymously. Category 4. Movement and manipulation. Creep means to move slowly and quietly. Exploitation refers to unfair use of someone. The exploitation of workers led to protests. Category 5. Usage and effectiveness. Utilize means to make effective use of something. Utility means usefulness. This tool has great utility in repairs. Deploy means to use strategically. The general deployed troops to secure the border. Abuse refers to improper use. The abuse of power angered the citizens. Abusive means using harsh behavior. She left the abusive relationship. Waste means to use carelessly. Don't waste food. Many people are starving. Harness means to control and make use of something. Scientists are harnessing solar energy. Which of these words do you find the most useful? Comment below. Subscribe for daily vocabulary lessons.